Okay, hello, this is me. I'm Steve. I'm going to show you how to create a paper airplane. Okay, we'll start by doing like this, holding it. Okay, now we open it. Now we fold it like this. Look, fold it like this. Okay, it's for both. Now we're gonna put this down. We have tips here. Look. Then we're gonna put it until here. Like this. To the second one. Same. Now put this the lock system. For them to be locked. Now we'll go like this, and you see this line, go like this. Now I have to make the wings, so we'll go like this until here. These are the best wings. This airplane also flies very good. The same thing on the other side. So the airplane's done. Look at the final results. It's done. So cool, yeah. It's me, or here. I created this. I understood that this flies very good. If I throw it from the balcony, from my balcony, it goes like a real airplane. So flies good. Okay, I'm gonna show you now how it flies.
Так. Ты куда пойдешь с ним? На балкон?
Yeah, тут. Okay, look. Flies like this. Like this, look. Watch. Very fast. Like and subscribe.